Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. This is Jake. I'm Robbie. We got another Muddy River classic for you guys today. We're doing a classic cucumber mojito. So, for this drink, you'll need the following ingredients. Most importantly, you'll need our silver Carolina Rum. You're gonna need cucumber. You're gonna need mint. What else are we gonna need, Jake?
We're gonna need lime and simple syrup.
Nice. All right, we're doing this in a shaker today, so Jake, I guess go ahead and start muddling your stuff together.
Let's muddle some leaves first.
All right, muddle that mint.
Yep.
All right, so we've got our mint muddled up. Now we're gonna muddle some cucumber. We're using English cucumber for this. It's just a super intense cucumber.
We did 2 pretty large slices per person.
Mm-hmm.
You can kind of dial that up or down, however you like for your cucumber flavor.
Personally, I'd say the more the better, honestly.
It's gonna be a really refreshing drink.
Yeah, for sure. All right, next we're gonna add lime juice. So 1 ounce of lime juice per drink, 2 ounces of lime juice.
For us.
Simple syrup, 1 ounce per drink. This gives the drink just enough sweetness, not to be overwhelming or intense, but just enough. All right, and last but not least, before we shake it up, we're gonna add silver rum. 2 ounces per person in the pot. All right, put some ice in that. Shake this up.
That's true.
I'm gonna strain this into our pint glasses. Last step is to top this with club soda. I'm gonna give that a quick stir. Get everything mixed together. Man, it just smells like a summer, refreshing, just makes me want to get out on the river and chill on the Muddy River.
Nice lime wedge, fresh lime wedge.
All right, guys, that is our cucumber mojito. Hope you like this video. The recipe, along with links to our website and social media, is in the description below. We're out here all the time. If you want to come take a tour of our facility, we do it every Saturday. Don't forget to ask about us in your local liquor store. And thanks for watching. Cheers. So good.
Oh! We're out here all the time as long as you don't show up on Sunday, Monday,
I know.
Fridays afternoon.
Boy, there's a giant smudge in that lens, isn't there? Yeah.
Yeah, like wherever we put it on the sink, up here, it probably is here. I mean, we'll find out here in a second. We're just waiting on it to arrive. But I bet it's sitting right there. And just gonna reach over here. That's not it. Okay, well. All right, we're gonna take a break and find some club soda. We'll just forget.
I'm looking.
We forget the club soda every time.